Hello, my name is Marlene and I'm at the Greenville Library. I'm the adult programmer and the outreach. Today we're going to do a craft. Since it's getting close to winter time, we're going to do a craft and I'm going to show you how to frost a stem wine glass. And what you're going to use is you're going to use the Mop and Glow, and you take some Mop and Glow and you just pour them out in your cup and just kind of take it and swish it around where it covers the whole glass. And just kind of drain the excess amount. And then you take Epsom, just regular Epsom salt. And you pour it inside. And then just roll and roll and roll the cup until it's completely covered. And it makes it a real pretty crystallized. And what you can do with the bottom of the glass and do the same thing, take some more of the Mop and Glow, put it in a bowl, and then you just take the bottom of the wine glass and swish it around in it, and then the Epsom salt that you have over here, you can take it and just roll it and take a little bit extra and pour it over this bottom part of the glass. Just like so. And then you've decorated the bottom. And now with these glasses, you can end up making, you can make a snowman out of it. Or you can take a copy of a snowflake and you can put it on the inside, tape it on the inside, and then trace around the outside. Or you can just take decals. I have some snowflakes, and just take one and just put it on the outside of the glass, your snowflake, and then you have it decorated. And you can set these around and set marbles in them or any kind of things inside and use them for decorations for the winter. And also, I made one that you could actually paint it and make the bottom green and put a bow on it, and you can make a pumpkin out of them also. So that's the craft for the day. Thank you.